Kia revealed the Concept EV3. It represents the brand's vision for an electric compact CUV that effortlessly blends practicality with the sheer joy of driving. It offers users the technology, practicality, and design of Kia's flagship SUV, the EV9, in a compact and accessible form. The design treatment of the cabin, with the windscreen pushed forward and the long sloping roofline, creates a unique silhouette. The folding bench-type rear seat is equally flexible and can be effortlessly folded upward, allowing for storing bulky luggage such as electric scooters and bicycles. Tell me in the comments how do you like the Concept EV3 and subscribe for more.